Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This Forest River Riverstone 41RL is the definition of luxury. You got a 5,500 watt generator, perfect for that off-grid camping. Has auto level, big, huge, spacious pass-through storage, and the paint job is absolutely gorgeous. You got awning toppers, slide toppers, frameless windows, backup camera, side cameras, and you actually have security cameras as well on this coach for the exterior. You have a hitch for like a bike receiver or somebody that like to double tow, solid step. Now, as we go inside, in the comments section, let me know what type of shoes I'm wearing and what it says. If you do that, you get to be into a drawing for a $25 McDonald's gift card. Now, this has residential appliances all over the place and a gourmet kitchen. A chef's dream kitchen in an RV, which is extremely rare. They do just a fabulous job giving you the right refrigerator with a 4-burner stove, an oven you can actually cook with, and a big microwave. Look at all the pantry space, everything you need for your pots, your pans, your utensils. No waste of space at all. And sleek design on every single piece of cabinetry, the countertops, everything inside just smells and feels like home. Now, I filmed this while it was 112 degrees outside, and yet inside without the air conditioning, it probably was a cool 10 to 15 degrees cooler. So that's how well insulated this is. You get the tire pressure monitor system, one-piece sink, and all that counter space, storage underneath, and a dishwasher. Voila. No, my coffee cup doesn't count. Doesn't come with it. You get the TV and fireplace across from the recliners and hidden storage behind the TV. I thought that was really cool. And of course you get the sleeper sofa that pulls out into a queen bed with storage above, but it's very deep cabinetry. You might need a step stool to get up there, but you got plenty of things you can put up there that you don't use daily, but might use weekly or monthly. You also have your ceiling fan. It has 2 air conditioners. They're called Whisper Cools. And then you have your theater seating, like I mentioned earlier, freestanding dinette. You have day and night shades. Right now I put the night shades down. You have portable vacuum cleaner. You have your docking station, which also, by the way, does come with an inverter. So you can turn off your on and off your inverter inside that original closet I just opened up, and now run most of your GFI plugs. This was the perfect place to put something special like a washer and dryer. Now, instead of making it stackable, instead of making a combo, they made it side by side to give you more storage for your laundry soap, detergent, things of that nature. Good linen space inside the bathroom, and that shower is huge. You can literally shower together if you're a married couple inside that shower. Now, the counter space around the sink, remember I'm making it sound perfect, but there is a little bit of a flaw here, and that is the counter space around the bathroom is not that great. But to kind of feel like it's not that big of a situation, they added drawers. And that's huge to me. So yes, it doesn't really have the big counter space, but at the same time, you get a lot of that drawer storage. You get a nice little suite with a fireplace in the master bedroom. That's a full king bed. And now we get to what I call the massive clothing storage area. If you're full timing, you know how important it is to have the right outfits for the right occasions, no matter if you're full, a snowbird, summerbird, whatever you want to call yourself, you need to have the right outfits for the right occasion, and this gives you that opportunity. And then one more look at the suite. and also desk area if you work out, you want to work from home. And then the top right hand corner of this video, there's another luxurious fifth wheel walkthrough.